Guys, let me tell you something. If you are able to make 20% per month, and I can show you how to do it, man, you can make so much money, guys, you cannot believe. Like, this is ridiculously crazy. 20% is so good. Hey, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you all having a wonderful time. I'm sending you tons of positive energy to wherever you are in the world. I hope you all having a wonderful time. I hope you're all healthy, wealthy, enjoying life how it should be. And yeah, in today's video I want to talk about our trading session this week. I want to show you my results for this year so far. Man, we've been smashing it, I'm telling you. And I'm going to give away the $10,000 challenge, as I told you guys. Everybody who's in my free Telegram channel, sometimes I'm making giveaways. I give away FTMO challenges, I give away the Genius Trading Masterclass Course and all that good stuff. So if you are new to this channel, to this YouTube channel, make sure to check the links in the description down below. Join my free Telegram channel. You're gonna learn a lot of valuable stuff in there about trading. And yeah, just to stay updated about my trading journey, to learn from what I do, and of course to stay updated with giveaways and stuff like that. So make sure to join the free Telegram channel. I will put the links down below in the description. And if you are a struggling trader, if you are new to trading, if you need help, if you need guidance, if you want to make this a career, then make sure to drop me a private message in Telegram as well. You will find the link down below in the description. I have a lot of valuable stuff that I can share with you. If you want to learn something, then yeah, drop me a message and I'll be glad to help you out to get on top of the game. All right, so this year so far, let me go through the results with you real quick. Let me record my screen. 3, 2, 1. So now we in my screen here right now. As you can see, my account balance is 1.2 million at the moment. Let me show you the week. So last week, fellas, we made 3.7%, which is 37,000. I had one losing day where I lost 60 grand, and then I had this beautiful winner on Friday that I've shared with everybody for free in my Telegram channel as well. So if you are not in my free Telegram channel yet, make sure to join. It's worth it. We are up about 48%, which is 480,000 since February. Man, fuck it. Anyways, since February I'm up 48%, and if we go back to the 1st of January, I'm up 66%, which is 660,000, guys. So on average 22% per month so far, and I still have one trading week to even make more profits, to scale it up a little bit more than that. But guys, let me tell you something. If you are able to make 20% per month, and I can show you how to do it, man, you can make so much money, guys, you cannot believe. Like, this is ridiculously crazy. 20% is so good. And let me show you one of my students real quick. Let me go to the Discord chat where we are connected as a team. Let me show you something real quick. He just got his payout of nearly $21,000, which is with his $100,000 funded account, which is more than 20%, 21% in a month, guys. He got paid without risking his own capital, guys. And yeah, we have a lot of crazy traders in here who are sharing their results. Albert made a payout as well. He made 1,500. He got paid 1,500. And yeah, stuff like that. Anyways, I'm not gonna go too deep inside the Discord because I want to talk about the trade today. But before I get into that, guys, I want to show you something. I want to show you the power of compound interest, because I think some of you might not understand what that means. Compound interest, guys. If you are able to make 20% per month, yeah, okay, let me go to the compound interest calculator to show you what is going on, guys. So let's say you start with $1,000, right, and you make 20% per month. That's $200 for the first month, right? And then you make 20% on that, which is another $240. All right, and let's fast forward this thing. After 12 months you will be at around $9,000. After 2 years you are up $80,000. After 3 years you are already up $700,000. After 4 years you would be up $6.3 million, guys, if you are consistently making this 20% gains a month, which is possible if you got the right strategy. If you don't have the right strategy, you need to talk to me. I will put the link down below in the description. I will show you exactly what we do so you can learn from that. All right, so that being said, guys, compound interest, this is crazy powerful, guys, if you are a consistent trader. If you're not, then compound interest will not make anything to you. But if you are a consistently trader, guys, you're gonna print money like crazy. So that being said, now let's pick the winner, guys. I told you, if you drop a comment under this video, I'm going to pick a winner who can win the $10,000 FTMO challenge. And if he is not inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course yet, then I'm going to put you inside the masterclass as well, to make sure that you have the skill set to make sure to pass the challenge, to learn our strategy, and to make big money with this $10,000 account and scale it up. So I've put the link in here. I'm gonna filter the duplicate users so everybody had the same chance to win. Now let's see how many unique commenters we have. 164 people. Let's spin the raffle and let's see who is the winner. Frankie Human Herder. All right, buddy, make sure to find the comment that has won. Search for the comment. Make sure to make a screen record video how you can edit the comment, and then send it to me on Telegram. You find the link down below in the description. Drop me a private message in Telegram. Tell me that you are the winner. Show me that you can edit the comment, and then I'm going to send you the money over PayPal to start the $10,000 FTMO challenge. And if you're not inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course, I will invite you to the Genius Trading Masterclass course on top of that as well for free. All right. So now we picked the winner. I showed you my results so far, and I showed you student result who got just paid 20% from his $100,000 account. Now let's hop into the trading session from this week. All right. So what we had in here last week: Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay. Let me see what we had, guys. I mean, on Thursday the market was, I was pretty much expecting downward movement, guys, because the market was coming down pretty aggressive. As you can see, overall pretty crazy downtrend, right? So I was looking for a sell opportunity. I thought like we're gonna see some more bullish pressure. I wanted to see the market come down on Thursday, but the market just slapped me in my face. I took 2 losses on that one. I took 2 losses, lost 3% on each trade. Let me show you real quick what was going on in here. I was pretty much a little bit the early bird. I waited for the market to take out Thursday's high from Asian session, took it out, had a little reaction on the smaller time frames. I hopped into the game, had my stop above, but this one was not going good, and I saw that it continues to print bullish structure, so I decided to take it out a little bit earlier. And then after we took out the really significant highs, this triple high, after we took this one out, I decided to step into the game again because I expected some downward movements, but the market had other plans. I mean, on the smaller time frames, we broke structure. We broke structure a little bit. We broke structure in here, and yeah, I was looking to. I think I was selling this thing somewhere in here on the pullback. Yeah, so I think I stepped into the game somewhere in here. But it was just going up, and I decided to just leave it for the day. I decided to just let it run, and I took the losses, 2 losses. I go to sleep, and yeah, on Friday was another day, guys, another opportunity. And yeah, on Friday we took that we took that beautiful sell entry and it worked out pretty amazing. I was even loading it up on another fake out. I will show you exactly what I mean by that. So Thursday's high were broken, guys. Market pushed above and then got rejected during London, started to drop pretty aggressive, and I was like, all right, I just want a beautiful pullback and I'm gonna hop into the game and continue to ride this thing to the downside as I was expecting downward movements, guys, because all the business to the upside was made. Pretty much all the business was made already, so I really expected a pullback of around 50%, maybe a little bit more than that from that whole move, and I decided to cash out at around 3,910. My initial target would have been 3,900, big figure numbers, something like that, but as soon as it came into the area and as I was loaded up, because I was scaling in on the fake out move in here, I was scaling in, so I took on one trade, I took around, I think I got out somewhere in here, I took around 1.8 risk reward ratio, and on the second entry I took a 6-to-1 risk reward ratio, which is really lovely. And there's the sunshine. Yeah, it was a beautiful trade on Friday, I'm telling you guys. Came back in profit. I mean, we had this 2 losses, lost 6%, then made another 100 grand, so around 100 grand. It was 97 something. Yeah, ended up in profit for the week. Overall, guys, like I said, 66% for the year so far. I'm going to continue to trade next week. I will keep you updated, and yeah, hope this video was helpful. And if you need any help, guys, make sure to check the links in the description. Drop me a private message. I'm there to help you. If I have time to chat, I will help you out, I promise. And yeah, join the free Telegram channel, man. That's it for today. See you in the next video, guys. Enjoy your Sunday. Peace.
Every time